Good morning, students. The Chromebook decals and skins have arrived. They will be with your first period teacher. You will be required to sign your understanding that it is your responsibility to apply the skins and decals to your Chromebooks. So what I'm going to do is show you the right way to do it, because if you mess up, you'll have to purchase another one. All right, first thing, this is your skin. It'll come on this piece of paper. You have to carefully find an edge where it's going to come up. Sometimes if you reach an edge, the paper comes up with it, so that's not the edge that you want. So if that happens, like it happened here for me, I'm just going to go to a different corner and carefully lift it, so only the skin is being lifted up. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm not going to unpeel the skin all the way from the Chromebook. I'm just going to unpeel it a little bit, and then I'm going to carefully place that on my Chromebook right on that edge. Now, here's your chance if you want to figure out where it's straight, because I haven't really pressed down. So I'm going to very carefully start pressing. You see underneath, the paper is still attached. And so what we're going to do is slowly pull off the paper, and with our hand, we're going to be pressing down any air bubbles that appear. So I'm going slowly and pressing as I pull until it is all the way done. And you just carefully press out any bubbles. So here is the skin. So if you just ordered a skin, that's what it would look like. Now, if you've gotten decals, the important thing is to open your Chromebook and decide how and where you want to put your decals. Your decals will come looking like this. What you need to do, and this is a sort of important step, you want to carefully pull away. First, you'll have to unpeel your corners. The corners will be folded down on the back. You'll have to unpeel them so that you can then carefully peel away the decal. So now, you don't need this piece anymore. Here's my decal. Now, you want to make sure that when you place it on there, you're going to place it the right way. So, this is an initial one, and is this right? Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. So we put it on there right. So now I'm going to want to close my Chromebook. I know it's in the right place. Carefully again press it. And this one you want to just rub very carefully to make sure that that decal is attaching to your skin. Then you very carefully, after you've rubbed it, you'll peel up one of the edges slowly. And so you see I'm peeling away slowly, and the decal is applied. Now, what I would do is that little piece of cardboard that we didn't use, I would use that one to just sort of make sure that it's all stuck on there really good. All right, so we got our first decal. Now, if you have another one, if you happen to get another one, again, you want to unpeel those corners, okay? Slowly peel off the decal, so you don't need this piece. And again, I'm going to open up my Chromebook so I make sure that I'm placing the decal where it goes. So this is where I want it?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to close my Chromebook. Again, I'm going to press, and I'm just rubbing it with my fingers, pressing, and then very carefully, you'll lift the paper away. Now, if it happens that the decal isn't really sticking, put your paper back down and rub on it some more to make sure that it's stuck on there really good. I'm going to carefully pull off that paper. Go slow, don't go fast. And again, I would probably use my other paper to press and make sure that it's on there good. And so we have a very lovely Chromebook. Here's another example of one that I did with the silver. Now, one thing I did want to mention, if you have the Lenovo type of Chromebook, yours has the camera up on the top. So what you'll need to do is ask your teacher if she could carefully cut that for you so that your camera will be exposed. But you could just cover up your camera and not worry about it. It's up to you. If you have any questions, come by my classroom. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much.